Hello everyone, it's me Rajesh and welcome back to my channel Audio to Warrior. Today we can have a version of Bad Liar song by Imagine Dragons. Okay, the song here is starting from like E flat. Okay. Okay, the first starting from E flat, E flat, E flat, E flat, and D and C. On the right, E flat, E flat, E flat, D, C. And when you are in the C, right, then you just play like C minor, that is C, E flat, and Z at the same time. And the next is like E flat, E flat, E flat, D and go to E flat. And the other time in the left you use just like E flat major, that is E flat, C and E flat. Next is E flat, E flat, E flat, D, E flat on the right, and you play like in the left is use a E flat major, that is E flat, G and B flat. And then after that E flat, E flat, E flat, F, F, and that is used in the left. Use the first inversion of B flat major, that is D, F, and B flat. The side. Bad liar, you just use like E flat, E flat, E flat, E flat, and A flat and G, and the same chord that is in the previous one, that is C minor chord. G and C minor together. Again E flat, A flat, G, and here you play A flat major. Type. From the beginning it will become like this. Okay, I don't have a good voice. Let's play once, okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. So look me in the eyes, tell me what you see.